Hello everyone. We saw the algebras reduced portion. Now we are going to go for geometry. Let us see what all things has been reduced from geometry portion this year for year 2021. From lesson 1, similarity, page number 8. Now what is page number 8? We have angle bisector property of triangle. Okay, angle bisector property of triangle. This is completely reduced. On page number 9, full page is reduced. So full page from page number 9 is reduced. Page number 10 completely reduced. So basically your angle bisector property and your application of BPT on 3 parallel line is reduced. Now on page number 11 you will see that these two properties under the category remember this is completely reduced, that is third one and fourth one. Now on page number 12 you can see exercise number 2, page number 12, exercise number 2, and this activity is deleted. On page number 13 you will see activity related to angle bisector is deleted, and under practice set 1.2 question number 1 sub question 1, 2, 3 this entirely is reduced. Now we will go to page number 14. From page number 14 you can see question number 3, question number 5 and question number 6, 7. These 4 questions are deleted. I repeat, question number 3, 5, 6, 7 deleted. Page number 15 here question number 8, 9 and question number 11. These 3 questions are deleted. Now go to page number 28. Page number 28 over here. Question number 8 and question number 9 deleted. On page number 29 question number 10 is deleted. So that is all about your lesson number 1. Now from lesson number 2, that is Pythagoras theorem, your application of Pythagoras on acute and obtuse angle of a triangle and Apollonius theorem. These 3 concepts are completely deleted. So these concepts are there on page number 40. So let us go to page number 40. Page number 40, this full page is deleted. Page number 41 deleted, that is Apollonius theorem is not there in the portion. Application of Pythagoras theorem on acute and obtuse angle triangle, they are not there in the portion. Page number 42 is also entirely deleted. Exercise 2.2 which is related to these 3 concepts is completely deleted. Now we will go to page number 44. From page number 44 you will see that question number 6 under MCQ, question number 6 is completely deleted. Then on page number 45 you can see question number 8, question number 9 and question number 12. These 3 questions are deleted. Now on page number 46 you can see question number 17 and question number 18 are deleted. So this much is deleted from your lesson number 2 Pythagoras theorem. Now moving to lesson number 3 circle. In circle we will directly go to page number 75. So let's go to page number 75. Yeah. Page number 75 has this very important theorem. It had theorem on angles between tangent and secant, or tangent secant theorem also it is known as. So this part is completely deleted. So this theorem is no more in the portion. So on page number 75, this theorem is completely deleted. Let us move to the next page. You can see page number 76 to page number 82. These pages are completely deleted. Page number 76 to page number 82. So we move to page number 83 now, because up to 82 everything is deleted. So on page number 83, as you can see, problem set 3 is there. In that problem set 3, MCQ question number 7 is deleted. Then on page number 87, we go to page number 87. On page number 87, question number 13 and question number 14, these two questions are deleted. Now let us move to page number 88. You can see on page number 88, question number 16 and question number 18, these two questions are deleted. On page number 89, the last question on the page, that is question number 22, is deleted. Now go to page number 90. On this, question number 24, you can see question number 24 on page number 90 is deleted. So this much is deleted from your lesson number 3, circle. Lesson number 4, geometrical construction. Nothing has been reduced from geometrical construction. So all type of construction which are there are still there in your portion. So no deduction or no reduction in lesson number 4. So we go to lesson number 5, that is coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, you directly go to page number 116. The entire slope concept is deleted. So we go to page number 116. You can see slope of a line. Yes, the slope of a line, entire concept is deleted. And from page number 107 to page number 121, I repeat, page number 117 to page number 121, everything is deleted. So we directly go to now page number 122 and see what is deleted from page 122. On page 122, from top of the page, question number 6, 7, 8, all 3 questions are deleted. And in problem set 5, question number 4 among MCQ question is deleted. And here, determine whether the given points are collinear. This second question, all the sub questions of this second question is deleted. Now we move to the next page, page number 123. On page number 123, question number 9 and 10 and question 22. 9, 10, 22, these 3 questions are deleted. So that is all about your coordinate geometry chapter. Now let us move to chapter number 6, which is your trigonometry chapter. In your 11th and 12th standard and for your higher studies, trigonometry concepts are very, very important. So no reduction has been done in trigonometry. You have trigonometry in 11th standard and in 12th standard also. So trigonometry, no reduction is done. Only the basic concepts which are there has to be, you must know that for your higher studies. So we move to the next chapter, that is our 7th chapter, mensuration. Let us see from mensuration what they have reduced. Directly we will go to page number 156. Let us see what is there on page number 156. Okay. Page number 156 to page number 159. All these pages are deleted. That means everything related to segment of a circle and area of segment, everything is deleted. So page number 156 to page number 159 is deleted. All these pages are deleted. Now we go to page number 160. On page number 160, top 3 questions which are related to the previous concept that we deleted. So all these 3 questions are deleted. Fine. Now we go to page number 161. From page number 161, question number 10, which is again related to those cancelled pages, is deleted. Question number 10. Now we go to page number 162. Now everything is there. So up to page number 161, question number 10, everything is deleted. So this is the portion which is reduced from your geometry portion or syllabus. This encounters your 25% of reduction in this academic year. This reduction related to the syllabus is only applicable for academic year 2020 and 21. From next year onwards, again students who come to 10th standard will be having entire portion, no reduction. So I hope now you know your portion accurately and it will help you to prepare for your exams. All the best. Do well.